Hey, what do you think you're doing? This is a crime scene. Don't touch anything.
That looks like a roasted mat. Cooked a little too long, if you ask me. A magnificent appliance, without a doubt.
Hey, what do you think you're doing? This is a crime scene. Don't touch anything.
Oh, look! It's the killer.
I swear on Tom Selleck's impressive mustache that I did not put him in there.
Hey, don't take Magnum's name in vain.
Relax. We know you didn't kill him. It's our job to know that stuff.
Yeah, but we do think you stole his girlfriend.
Without a doubt.
What? I'm telling you, there's nothing going on between me and Sally.
Look, we couldn't care less.
What's wrong with Inspector Clouseau?
Sergeant Kramer? He just hates everybody.
Yeah, but it looks like he's taken a particular disliking to you.
Easy, boy. Nobody goes to jail just because his friend killed himself.
Do you know if Matt suffered before he died?
It looks like his plan was to kill himself by inhaling the gas. But we think he forgot that the Stovematic 9000 is an electric oven. That means no gas. So yes, he must have suffered a lot when the thing exploded and literally pulverized his internal organs.
This model has a manufacturing defect. If you put too much weight in it while on full power, it may give off electric shocks or even explode.
Yeah, but despite that, it is an excellent appliance. If used wisely, it can cook an ox in 20 seconds. Take a look at the texture of your friend's flesh. See? It's perfectly cooked. Crunchy on the outside, tender on the inside. Like a good Peking duck.
Oh, that reminds me. Want to go for Chinese tonight?
2 nights in a row? What about that Thai place on McCracken Street?
Works for me. We could go for Thai, Japanese, or Korean food, and I'd still think it was a Chinese restaurant. I'm going to order noodles and chicken curry, so it doesn't really matter where we go.
What do you think about the suicide note?
What can I say? There's some Blade Runner references, some references to the Breakfast Club.
Yeah, and it also makes it pretty clear that you stole his girlfriend.
For the last time, I have nothing but respect for Sally.
Sure, just like Ned respected my sister on prom night.
Uh-huh.
Yeah!
I don't think they've got anything useful to add.
Well, what do you make of the note? Could it be any clearer that it's your fault he killed himself?
Sergeant Kramer, I'm pretty stressed out right now. Where was I when Matt saw attack ships on fire off the shoulder of Orion? We did everything together. I'm sorry, but I just don't feel like playing good cop, bad cop with you anymore.
Hold it right there. I know your ilk. Face it. You're a neo-maxi zoom dweeby who thinks he can take what he wants when he wants it. You got no respect for the law, your friends, or the person playing this game. Plus, I don't like your face. There, I said it. I'm not finished with you yet, Hicks. This time, John Wayne does not walk off into the sunset, ha-ha, with Grace Kelly.
That was Gary Cooper, you jerk.
Don't push your luck, Susan. Have you ever danced with the devil in the pale moonlight?
No, but one time in band camp, I stuck a flute in my...
Okay, enough! Do you have a car?
Why? So you can give me a ticket now and tow it away?
I just don't like to see young ladies walking home after dark. Officer Murray will drive you home in a police car. Murray, get your flabby ass in here.
Sergeant, I told you, my buttocks look that way because of a genetic glandular problem, so it's really embarrassing when you...
Shut your pie hole, Murray, and take this punk home.
Yes, sir.
And take the dead guy's girlfriend, too.
Miss Thompson already left.
And why the hell didn't you tell me before?
I tried, but you started yelling before I could say anything.
Do you know what this is, Murray? This is a communication problem. And I think the only way to fix it is not having to hear your stupid voice ever again. So from now on, whenever you have to tell me something, you will just write it down and hand it to me. Understood? Now get out of here. Take the boy with you.
Yes, sir.
What did I just say?
Okay, this is you, kid.
But Murray, I told you to take me to a strip club.
Sergeant Kramer told me to take you home. And according to our files, this is your current address.
And you always just blindly obey what the guys tell you? You're too good, Murray. You've got to learn to get wild once in a while.
It's my duty, son. Now get going.
You'll always be the life and soul, Murray. You know that? I don't know why, but this elevator just doesn't seem safe. I don't have time to play with the elevator. Besides, I don't know why, but I get the chills every time I pass that door. Ugh. I'm not gonna do that. I don't know why, but this elevator just doesn't seem safe. The neighbor's apartment. I'm sure that place must reek. I don't like bothering people. Okay, I do, but I just don't feel up to it right now. I never chat with my neighbors unless it's absolutely necessary. I better not. I'm not gonna open the window now. There's only noise out there. There just isn't enough room for all that trash. Mortimer! Ah, screw him. Oh, I'm not gonna get any closer. What if something attacks me? Whew, boy, this was some day. I lost my job, yet I made more money than I have ever seen. I lost my best friend, but I seem to have made a ton of new friends on the police force. I'll tell you, it's been a real roller coaster. I'll be happy to put this day behind me. Ah, Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Ba 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 ba, make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Dun 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 dun. Okay, it's a new day. Let's face it with our head held high and our pockets full of cash. Wow, I can't believe I got that much money for that stupid ring. Whoa, Matt's on the front page. Nice picture, by the way. No can do, amigo. There's some kind of crust around the door that makes it impossible to open. Mortimer! Ah, screw him. Damn, Marconi. Hope this banging on my door thing doesn't become a habit, like asking me for the rent every month.
Hicks, I can hear you in there. Open up right now or I'll break down the door.
Hey, Mr. Marconi, look, I'm really sorry about yesterday, you know.
Why? What the hell did you do yesterday?
Well, you know, I left you waiting here in the hallway and then I went to, you know.
Hicks, if I had to see you on Sundays too, my life just wouldn't be worth living.
Wait, what? Are you telling me today's Monday?
Knock it off, jerk. You won't get me with the amnesia trick this time.
You shouldn't use your cell phone so much. You're getting brain damage.
What are you talking about?
Listen, you don't seem to remember that yesterday was Monday. You came by, we exchanged pleasantries and shared our hopes and dreams. Then I left you standing in the hallway for hours and I snuck through the fire escape.
Hicks!
No, please, let me finish. The fire escape collapsed and nearly killed me. I probably got who knows what from a bum, and last but not least, I saw my best friend's body au gratin inside his own oven. So yeah, it was a pretty memorable Monday.
Listen.
And you're so full of spite you've come back here at the same time to torture me again? Are you planning on pummeling my door every day? Because if you are, I might be forced to put an end to it. I've got boatloads of cash and that should buy me some pretty unsavory friends who'll be happy to put an end to your little visits.
Look, son, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm worried about you. Last night you came back drunk again. I didn't say anything because I refuse to work on Sundays. But now, I really think we should have a little talk.
I'm all ears.
Okay, first, I'm fed up with your stupid jokes, Hicks. You know that fire escape has been broken for a long time, and honestly, I don't care if you had something to do with it.
Broken for a long time? Are you sure?
Second, I'm so sorry about your friend. I heard on the news that they found his body this morning.
This morning?
And third, what do you mean you got boatloads of cash?
Forget what I said. I'm still kind of drowsy here. Then today?
Today, you owe me 3 months, and I want my money now.
You sure you're not just fooling around?
Do I look like I'm kidding?
I don't know, Mr. Marconi. You always have that animal look about you. But today I'd say there's something different. Did you get a tan, or is that a new haircut?
Enough already. Give me my money now, or I promise you, you won't be getting out of this apartment alive.
Okay, here's your stinking money.
For real? You mean this is actual real money?
No, it's fantasy world money. If you stop believing it, it'll disappear.
Okay, it's just that, yeah, I wasn't really expecting to get paid. Especially not 3 months just like that. These aren't photocopied, right? Because you know it wouldn't be the first time.
Have a little faith in me, Mr. Marconi. If I want to, I can get anything I need. And I don't have to scam any old ladies this time.
God only knows what you did to get so much money, but I'm certainly gonna keep it.
Yeah, good for you. So would you mind leaving me alone now? I know you're a little over the hill and I understand you're so confused you don't even know what day it is. But me, on the other hand, I've got things to do, so just run along.
Do what you want, Hicks. But remember, I won't tolerate any more holdups with the rent. I'm warning you.
And I'm ignoring you, but whatever. We'll see what happens next month.
Don't push your luck.
Hello?
Are you Mr. Randal Hicks?
Yep, speaking.
Well, this is Sergeant Joseph Kramer from the police department. You need to come to Mr. Matthew Griffin's apartment ASAP.
Why? You want to insult me in person?
If you're not here in an hour, an arrest warrant will be issued.